China, a country where ancient temples stand beside futuristic skyscrapers, where bullet trains move faster than airplanes once did, and where over 1 billion people wake up every day inside one of the most powerful nations on Earth. For decades, the world looked at China as a poor and crowded country. But today, China has transformed into an economic giant that challenges the biggest superpowers of the world. Cities that were once villages are now filled with glowing towers, robotic factories, and endless highways stretching beyond the horizon. The speed of China's rise shocked the entire world. Located in East Asia, China shares borders with 14 countries, making it one of the most geographically important nations on Earth. From the frozen mountains near Mongolia to tropical beaches in the south, China is a land of massive contrasts. It is also home to some of the world's oldest civilizations, with a history stretching back thousands of years. But modern China is not living in the past. It is racing toward the future faster than almost anyone imagined. Megacities like Shanghai, Beijing, and Shenzhen look like scenes from a science fiction movie. Artificial intelligence, facial recognition systems, electric vehicles, and cashless payments are now part of daily life. Yet behind the glowing lights and technological success lies another side of China: strict rules, intense competition, and millions of people working non-stop to survive in one of the world's toughest economies. China is not just a country anymore. It has become a system, a machine, and a vision of what the future could look like. And for millions of people around the world, China is both inspiring and terrifying at the same time. Life in China moves at incredible speed. In many Chinese cities, people wake up before sunrise, rush through crowded subway stations, and spend long hours working in offices, factories, restaurants, and technology companies. The competition is intense from childhood to adulthood. Education in China is extremely demanding. Students study for long hours every day because success in exams can decide their entire future. Families push their children hard because getting into a top university is seen as the key to a better life. Many young people face enormous pressure to succeed, and failure is often feared more than anything else. In modern cities, technology controls almost everything. People order food, pay bills, book taxis, and shop using mobile apps. In many places, cash is disappearing completely. Even small street vendors accept digital payments instantly. China has built one of the most advanced digital societies on Earth. But life is not easy for everyone. The cost of living in large cities is rising quickly. Many young Chinese workers struggle to buy homes because property prices are extremely high. Some employees work under the famous 996 culture, meaning 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 6 days a week. This non-stop work lifestyle has created stress and exhaustion among millions of workers. Still, Chinese culture remains deeply connected to family values. Parents and grandparents often live close together, and respect for elders is considered extremely important. Traditional festivals, food, and customs still play a major role in society despite rapid modernization. Chinese streets are full of energy. Crowded night markets, glowing shopping malls, traditional tea houses, and endless food stalls serving noodles, dumplings, seafood, and spicy dishes. The country never truly sleeps. Every street feels alive with movement, ambition, and pressure. In China, survival is connected to hard work. People believe that if they stop moving forward, they will be left behind by millions of others chasing the exact same dream. China's cities are among the most futuristic places on Earth. Some areas look decades ahead of the rest of the world. Towering skyscrapers light up the sky while self-driving technology, robotic delivery systems, and electric transportation reshape daily life. In cities like Shenzhen, technology companies grow faster than almost anywhere else on Earth. What was once a small fishing town is now one of the world's biggest innovation centers. Factories there produce smartphones, drones, robots, and electronics used across the planet. China also built the world's largest high-speed rail network. Trains travel at breathtaking speed, connecting massive cities in just hours. Millions of passengers use these rail systems daily, making transportation faster and more efficient than many Western countries. Another major transformation is China's electric vehicle revolution. Chinese companies are producing affordable electric cars at huge scale, challenging global automobile giants. Entire cities are now filled with electric buses, scooters, and taxis. Pollution remains a serious issue, but China is trying to become a leader in green energy and clean technology. However, technology in China comes with strict government control. Surveillance cameras monitor streets, public places, and transportation systems almost everywhere. Facial recognition systems can identify people within seconds. Internet access is also heavily restricted, and many international platforms are blocked. Despite these controls, millions of Chinese citizens accept this system because it provides safety, stability, and economic growth. For many people, rising living standards matter more than personal freedoms. China's cities are a symbol of ambition. Every year, new towers rise higher, new inventions appear faster, and new industries grow stronger. The country is trying to build not just modern cities, but an entirely new model for the future of civilization. And the biggest question the world now asks is simple: will China eventually become the most powerful nation on Earth? Behind China's economic miracle lies a reality that many outsiders never fully see. While the country looks powerful and modern from the outside, millions of people continue to face enormous struggles every day. In rural parts of China, life can be completely different from the luxury seen in big cities. Some villages still lack opportunities, quality healthcare, and high-paying jobs. Many parents leave their hometowns to work in distant factories, sometimes seeing their children only once or twice a year. These workers are the invisible force powering China's massive economy. The pressure to succeed has also created serious mental stress among young people. Competition for jobs is brutal. University graduates fight for limited opportunities while companies demand extremely high performance. Some young Chinese have even started rejecting the non-stop work culture, choosing a movement known as lying flat, where people give up chasing endless success and simply try to survive peacefully. China is also facing a population crisis. Birth rates are falling rapidly, and the country's aging population is becoming a major concern for the government. Fewer young workers may create economic problems in the future, especially as older generations retire. Environmental issues are another challenge. Rapid industrial growth created heavy pollution in many cities. Smog, contaminated rivers, and overcrowding became serious problems during China's industrial expansion. Although the government is investing heavily in clean energy, the damage from decades of rapid growth remains difficult to erase. There are also strict laws and limitations on freedom of speech. Public criticism of the government can lead to serious consequences, and online activity is carefully monitored. Many people avoid discussing sensitive political issues openly. Yet despite all these struggles, Chinese society continues moving forward with incredible discipline and determination. The people endure pressure, competition, and restrictions because they believe their country is building something historic. China's success came with a price, and millions of ordinary people are paying it every single day. Today, China influences almost every part of the modern world, from smartphones and clothing to technology and trade products. Made in China reach nearly every country on Earth. The global economy is now deeply connected to Chinese factories, businesses, and investments. China's military power is also growing rapidly. The country is building advanced weapons, powerful naval fleets, and space technology that challenges global superpowers. At the same time, Chinese companies are expanding into international markets, investing in roads, ports, and infrastructure projects across Asia, Africa, and beyond. But China's rise has created fear as well as admiration. Some countries worry that China's growing power could reshape global politics and weaken Western influence. Trade wars, technology battles, and political tensions continue increasing between China and other major nations. Still, one fact is impossible to deny. China changed the balance of the modern world forever. For travelers, China feels like stepping into another dimension. Ancient traditions exist beside futuristic technology. Silent temples stand near giant LED screens. Old street markets survive under glowing skyscrapers. The country constantly balances its ancient identity with its unstoppable future. Life in China is not simple. It is fast, competitive, demanding, and highly controlled. But it is also ambitious, innovative, and full of energy, unlike anywhere else on Earth. This nation of over 1 billion people is moving forward with incredible speed, determined to shape the future on its own terms. And whether the world likes it or not, China is no longer following global trends. China is creating them. So the real question is not whether China will change the future. The real question is how much of the future will belong to China.